It's Monday night at 8 p.m. and I am Pam with 44 Marketplace and Creative Finishes by Pam, and tonight we are talking about patina. Let me spin you guys around a little bit. You can see all my projects I'm working on this way, huh? All right, so what we're going to chit-chat tonight about is Dixie Belle's patina products. Dixie Belle has a great line of patina products, and a lot of people think that they are faux finishes. Hey AJ, they are not faux finishes. These products actually have they have metal in them. That's why they're called patina products. And they have bronze, they have iron, they have copper, and they have two colors of reactive sprays. And I don't know if you guys have ever tried the patina products. As you can see, I've made a mess of them. But I do want to go over a couple of things tonight. Not only am I going to go over the patina products, but I'm going to chit chat with you guys about how to create a patina look even if you don't have the patina products, using some other products from Dixie Belle. So first of all, I'm going to chit chat with you guys. This one is just a vase that I picked up. It is, I don't know, terracotta, just something. And I put the copper on it. And I did put a little of the bronze, and I put the green reactive solution and made it show up so that you guys can see. And I love the aged look that it gives it. Now, these come with a little spray nozzle, and you can use it to spray. I brushed this on because I wanted it to have the old world look, like it had run down the side. You don't have to do it that way, but you can do it that way. And while I'm thinking about it, do you guys like my apron? Do you know what it says? Well, if you could help me out, that would be great. But this is the copper. Now, this one is the bronze, and this one is what I'm going to use tonight to show you a different way of creating a patina look. This does have the bronze on it, and you can see I actually did the base with the blue reactive solution so that you can see what it looks like. It looks beautiful. It gives you a great look. It gives you the patina that you're looking for, the aged look, all right? And then I have the rust. And it was just a little piece that, I don't know, maybe I picked up at Walmart or the dollar store or something like that. And I used the iron paint with the green spray. If you want rust, the best way to do it is to do it with the iron paint and the green spray. All right. If you guys are watching and you have a favorite local retailer, please give them a shout out tonight, because all of us appreciate that kind of thing, okay? Hey, Molly. All right, so what we're talking about tonight is you've seen the copper, and you've seen the bronze, and you've seen the iron. Now what I'm going to show you is a way to skip a step. A lot of times people are working on projects and they either run out of patina or they're trying to get a quick way to get a patina, because with the patina finish, what you have to do is you put on a coat of Dixie Belle Paint, whatever type of Dixie Belle Paint you choose. You put that on and you allow that to dry, and then you put on your first coat of patina, whether it is iron, copper, or bronze, which one of the three you decide to use, and you allow that first coat of patina to dry. When you put the second coat of patina paint on, then you spray it with your reactive solution of your choice. And the thing about that is, a lot of people sometimes feel confused about which one gives them which reaction, so I'm going to go over that tonight. Bronze reacts best with the blue, but it will react somewhat with the green. Iron doesn't react very well with the blue, but gives you great rust with the green. And I'm going to tell you something that'll help you with the iron, if that's what you're looking for, is rust. If you add a heat gun, or if you're in the South and it's hotter than you know what here, then sit it outside. That rust will bloom beautifully. This one I did just before I came on, so you can see it didn't take any time. I actually did that one with a blow dryer. And then the copper. Now the copper is my happy guy. He reacts really well to both the blue and the green. So if you have questions, please reach out to your local Dixie Belle retailer, or I'm always available. And remember, bronze reacts best with blue, but will react somewhat to both blue and green. Copper is happy with both blue and green. And iron is happiest with green, but will react slightly to blue. All right, so we've gone over that. Now let's say your local retailer doesn't happen to have any of the patina paints, but you kind of want this look. Well, even if you can get your hands on some of the copper paint, there's a cheat, and I'm going to show that to you. Dixie Belle has a beautiful color called Mermaid Tail. Can you guys see that? Mermaid Tail will actually mimic the color of this green. It is a beautiful color, and we're going to dry brush this on here, and I'm going to show you guys. We're going to put it on the bottom of this, and then you're just going to wipe it back. And you can see, I'm going to add this Mermaid Tail to my piece right here because I want you guys to see how great it reacts. It's not reacting, you're just giving a faux finish to your piece. And basically the best thing to do is to do a dry brush method so you get most of the paint off of your brush and brush it on, okay? If it goes on too dark, then what you can do is wipe over it and it'll leave just a little film. Now I'm going to bring this over close to the camera so you can see. Keep in mind now, what we did was we did actually put the bronze patina paint on here, but we are going to do a little cheat. See, too much on there right there. So we're going to wipe it back a little. So we're going to do this. We're going to add it down his leg a little bit, and then we're going to wipe it back. We just want a hint of this color on there. Okay, so a lot of times for my base coat of paint, if I'm going to do the copper or the bronze, I'll let Mermaid Tail be my base coat of paint so that I can make sure that I end up with as much patina as I want. Even though it may not be real patina, it will look like it's patina. Okay, I'm going to bring this around so you guys can see up close and personal. See how that looks? And then there's the base. The base is the actual patina, and this is our faux patina that we just created using the Mermaid Tail. So how about that? And you can do the same thing with rust. A lot of people don't use very much of the Dixie Belle Pine Cone paint. And I don't know why, because I love that stuff. So basically what I do is I take Dixie Belle's Pine Cone paint, and I start adding it in, and I just kind of put it around the edges where it would normally rust, and if you put it over a coat of paint, it looks even better. And if you get too much, you can always wipe it back. But a lot of people don't realize, but Dixie Belle's Pine Cone paint actually is very much the color of rust. And if you dry it, sometimes I'll even put on a couple of layers, but it gives it such a weathered look that you would not know that it is not. And actually, we're going to put a little rust on our guy over here. Give him a little bit more, and I'll show you what he looks like. And now normally you can mix your patina paints and end up with some rust and some of your patina on the same piece. But tonight, I just wanted you to see, let's say you don't have patina paint at your local retailer, but you want to make something look rusty. Well, let's just do that. And you know, these little shiny things that you pick up at the dollar store or at Walmart or wherever your choice may be. All right, so we've got our little rusty can, and I'm going to show you over here. There is our rusty can, and there is the side that we put a lot of rust on. I put a whole lot of rust on it, and this side just only has a little bit of rust. And then here is our little guy. We added rust to him, and this side is mainly patina that we created. It's not actually using the patina, and you can see there is the patina base, and there is the patina wings. We made them look very similarly without using the reactive solution, because I know sometimes in the middle of a project, you run out of something. Another thing that Dixie Belle has that will let you have that patina look is Dixie Belle has gilding wax. It comes in a little container like this, and it is very green, and it is beautiful. I have to tell you guys, this stuff is awesome. This is my brush. I never rinse it out. And what I like to do with it when I'm going to add it to a piece, I will just brush it over, and then I wipe over it lightly so it has more of that aged kind of kind of look. And I'm doing it on the top, so we're not on our side where we had so much. There we go. I'm going to rub it in good. And there we go. We have even more of a patina look, all with using gilding wax. And let's say you've wiped away more of your shimmer than you really want to. Dixie Belle has bronze gilding wax, and we can go back in and add a little bit of our shimmer back into this little piece. I'm going to show you right quick. All right. Because you know, even after you put that patina on there, you still maybe want it to have a little bit of a shimmer, a little bit of a shine. And I want you to see that you don't have to have any one product. Sometimes you can just throw together a bunch of different products and end up with something really cute. This is just a little resin piece. I think I picked up at a thrift store in North Georgia or something like that. I'm gonna put a little bit of this back in here. Wipe over that. All right, so you saw what we had done. The base is the original actual patina, and there we did after we put in our gilding wax. How about that? Added the gilding wax, and now you can see that our guy looks like he's very well aged and all of that, and he is just a little resin guy that I wanted to sit in the classroom to show off the patinas. And I thought, you know, the other day somebody was telling me, oh, I ran out of patina in the middle of a project. So sometimes you just need Mermaid Tail, or maybe you just need a little bit of pine cone, or maybe if you've got gilding wax, you just make that work. So there's lots of different ways to create a patina look. And you can see I put it on a terracotta vase. I put it on a little piece of galvanized metal that I picked up. I put it on resin. Dixie Belle is so versatile, it will stick to just about anything. I've actually done this on fabric, and it does amazingly well. But like I say, if you want that look and your piece, you don't have the patina paints, create the look using some Dixie Belle Pine Cone or Dixie Belle Mermaid Tail. It's really easy. It gives you quite the nice look, and it takes minutes that way. So if you're doing like a last minute hostess gift or anything like that, this is a great way to do it. You can mix the mediums. Dixie Belle products for the most part are water-based. We do have a few oil-based products, but they mix really well together and they create such pieces of beauty. You can use them on just about anything. If you haven't tried the Dixie Belle Patina line, you will love, love, love it. But you'll also love the gilding wax and the paint, and it all works interchangeably. If you have questions about it, please reach out to your local retailer, or I'm happy to help you because I am Pam with 44 Marketplace. And thanks for watching tonight. If you guys don't have more questions, I'm going to let you guys go. And we have another Dixie Belle retailer coming up at 9 p.m. Thanks so much. See you guys.